What's going on, everybody? My name is Danny Ferrari.
My name is Parker Ament.
We are XLNT Sound, and we are showing you guys today how to make a signature style bass like Rickyxsan. Who else? Quix.
Quix?
Who else, dude?
Twonkfest?
That's not a person,
Wonky?
dude.
Wonky?
It's a wonky wub. No. Tynan.
Tynan.
Tynan does stuff like this, dude.
Heckler?
Eliminate does stuff like this. Flosstradamus, Prison Riot. That's like very similar sound. Sounds a little something like this, guys. Now, we don't have time because these are short videos. I got to go. What time is it? Doesn't matter.
It's time
I gotta
to
go, dude. So anyway, we're showing you guys how to make this bass really quickly. As always, it is free for you guys in the download description below. So if you really don't have time and you took your shit and left, that's fine. Just let us know you did so. Maybe hit the sub if you can, or smash a like. Right?
Yeah. Smash that like,
Smash it, dude. Learned how to punch the other day, dude.
Yeah,
I'm fucking ready.
There you go.
Anyway, so yeah, we're gonna show you guys how to make this bass. If you guys like sounds like this, I definitely recommend you check out our pack called Cartel. It is a lot of hybrid trap and future bass, a lot of great basses in there. We have it on sale right now.
Yep.
Limited time only. So if you just watch this video and it says a year old, sorry, you might be a little late, but that's okay because that means that Cart 2 Volume 2 has already come out and you get to buy that one.
Exactly.
So Cart 2 Volume 2 is also coming out in the next couple months, so keep an eye out for that and announcements. But anyway, without further ado, you guys are here. We don't have time. I gotta go, dude. Sounds like this.
Oh, yeah, dude.
I'm gonna go ahead and Shift Command T to make a new MIDI track. I'm gonna go ahead and copy this MIDI down.
Boom. Really
Really simple style bass, really fun to make, really great for like maybe one shots right when the drop starts. Could be a lead drop sound too as well. So I'm gonna go ahead and load up a Serum real quick.
I know Quix does a lot of those
Yeah.
lead drop sounds like that.
Very Rickyxsan song. Rickyxsan. Rickyxsan. Nice. Okay, so that sounds awesome. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and use digital or spectral. Where am I, Parker?
You are in digital.
All right, and we're using FFT add seconds. Bam. That's this. I don't know what this is. Oh, you know what it is? It's like an FM'd sine wave into another sine wave, essentially what that is. So if you don't want to FM synthesize, you can use this wavetable. I'm going to go ahead and set the octave down to -4. What are you laughing at, dude? We don't have time to laugh, bro.
You're like Morty, dude, from Rick and Morty.
I know, dude. We got Morty.
Morty.
We need to get to Bendigo. Sounds like that at -4. Nothing special. But if you turn the wavetable position up, look at that. See, that's like what an FM does. Pretty cool, huh?
Yeah, dude.
Mm-hmm. So I'm going to turn the wavetable position up to 47s. That's my lucky number.
Yeah, it is.
No, it's not. I made that up, dude. You should know that about me, bro.
I think it is.
I just saw your nose in the microphone.
You heard it.
I don't have time, dude. We gotta go.
It's your time.
Okay, so first thing, yeah, turn that to 47s. Turn the level all the way down. Bop. Let's go ahead and make our LFO to get those nice big whoppers. Whopper. I can say that. I'm Italian. You're gonna go ahead and make a shape like this. Bam. No, just kidding.
Other way.
Dude, I don't have time, dude. People need short videos, dude.
Yeah,
they don't
bro.
have time. They're already left, dude. They took their shit.
It's already gone.
They're already gone, dude. I blew it. Okay, make it look like this. Bam. Yeah, like right around there. You want a little bit of gap here. This is for the nice cut of it, dude. Turn it to envelope mode and leave it on quarter notes and put it on LFO 1. Sorry, on the level 1. Nothing cool happening yet. Kind of boring. But what we're going to do is we're going to add it to the wavetable position, right? And watch this, kids. This one's going to be to 56. 56. You guys ready?
Wow.
Still boring.
Wow.
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 A little bit of frog-like. Next, we're going to go ahead and add a sub-oscillator. I'm going to set this to -4, and I'm going to turn the level down and also select it for direct out because I don't want to affect it with the insane amount of processing that we're going to do. Just kidding. There's like no processing to this bass. It's super simple. It's all filter, baby. 76 for the sub, or 74. Says force.
Says force.
Says force.
Says force.
Says force will be with whatever. Yeah, says force.
Wow. Wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. Wow.
Okay. Now, next, what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and initialize the filter. This is the main point of the sound, right? A lot of these sounds, we've said it in videos before. If you haven't seen our other remakes and stuff like that, simple, man. They're always super simple. We're just overdoing it a lot of times. So simple, what do they always say?
Simple is best.
Simple is best, dude.
Simple is key.
Yeah, and also too, if you're like us, I don't have time, dude.
Yeah.
I gotta do simple. I gotta do simple shit,
No
dude.
time for
I don't have
plugins,
time
dude?
for this, dude. I gotta go, dude.
Yeah.
I'm out. I guess I should finish.
No, we got to finish.
Okay, I'm gonna turn the cutoff down to what's the cutoff at, dude? 38.
Yep.
38 hertz. Come on, dude. Fix the number thing, bro. When's the next update on Serum, bro?
Yeah, let's go.
I've been talking shit to do it for a
Let's
minute,
get some
bro.
fucking updates going,
I don't
dude.
got time, dude. I gotta go.
No, we don't have time for this.
Okay, LFO1 is going to be on the cutoff. And I'm going to go ahead and pull this down to 20 sevs. Come on. Oh, wow, that's super boring, Danny. Well, don't worry. You're going to turn the resonance up, and this is going to make a huge difference. Sevs 5s, dude. Magic number.
Yep.
I feel like Sevs 5s is my new magic number.
Sevs 5s definitely is.
Faves?
Yep.
Fave nums?
Faves.
Oh. That little peak right there
I like that beat.
does a shitload, bro. Whoa. It brings out that formant, dude. You know about formants, bro?
What you know about formants?
Nothing, bro. Get out of my face, dude. All right. I'm not mad at you. I just want to let you know that, dude. I'm just
not mad at you,
aggressively
dude.
trying to finish this. Dude.
Yeah, no, dude.
Let's
Let's get aggressive.
I don't have time, dude.
Yeah,
So I
let's
gotta
get,
be.
Let's get a little bit more aggressive.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
I don't have time to chit chat about it, dude. I
Yeah,
gotta go,
no, me
dude.
neither, dude.
Okay. Next, go ahead and put it on mono. Bam, like so. Sounds like this. And the insane amount of processing that's gonna happen on this bass is distortion, tube. Watch this. Drive all the way up. Mix all the way up. Sounds like this. Bam.
Oh, shit.
What up,
dude.
Rickyxsan, bro?
Rickyxsan.
What up, Quix?
Rickyxsan?
Rickyxsan, dude.
Quixxsan.
Quixxsan. X off. Okay, next we're going to do a multi-band compressor just to top her off, dude.
Top her off.
You don't even
dude.
need this, but
There
fuck it.
is.
12.2, just raise the gain, make it sound like this. Woo!
Oh, damn. That's killer.
Oh, that's fucking... I turned the volume all the way up. Sorry, guys.
Got too aggressive.
Now, bonus points. We have bonus rounds now,
Bonus, dude.
We have these
I
videos
like
are so
this.
quick. Man, what up, bro?
Yeah. Fucking
Bonus
quick.
round,
Ready to
dude.
go.
I didn't even change my fucking sweater from
Nah,
last time,
dude.
dude.
You don't need to. You don't have time
I don't
to
have time, dude.
change clothes, dude.
No, dude. Let's go. All right. Bonus round. We're going to go ahead and do a little bit of processing. This is really all you need. This little thing. This just adds just a little bit of sexy texture. If you like sexy texture on your bass, let me get a hell yeah in the comments.
yeah,
hell yeah,
dude.
brother. Okay. Erosion. It's a really great little audio effect rack in Ableton. If you don't have Ableton, you have Logic. I'm sorry.
Yeah. There is no erosion in Logic.
No, I don't know what the hell you guys have for that, but it's not really doing much. Just kind of adds just a little bit of sizzle. Just the sizzle. Just a little bit of sizzler,
Little
dude.
sizz.
Fucking dab on that shit.
Yeah, dude.
All right, so first thing I have is a erosion with sine. I don't know. I think it adds. It's almost like I don't fucking know what it does. Anyway, shout out in the comments if you do what sine does. I think it adds like a little bit of a sine wave in there at a high pitch. 5.19 for the frequency and amount at 65.7. It just adds that little bit of crispness. you know
Yeah,
what I
that
mean?
like almost reduxy
that
kind of shit.
little bit
dude.
of jingle.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like a redux. There you go.
Yeah.
It's very reduxy. Okay. And then another one I have is erosion with white noise, right? Frequency at 5.69, width at 0.30, and amount at 36.4. Sounds like this. Wow, dude. Without it, just a little extra texture.
Yeah, dude.
Little
Some
extra
sweet-
texture for
some
you.
sweetening.
Some sweetening, bro. Some sweet extra texture.
It's a great band name.
That's how you make that bass, baby. We'll see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much. Make sure if you guys like the video, go ahead and give us a comment, a like, and a subscribe. If you're new here, welcome. Go ahead and click that video or that video or that. We don't have those. I
Drop
don't
some
know.
extra texture, dude.
You know, they go like, click that video. They do the Brady Bunch thing.
Oh, yeah.
We don't have those fucking
No,
things,
we
bro.
don't.
So I'm pointing at nothing.
Yeah.
Go ahead and check us out on Instagram at XLNTSOUND. Nothing there, dude, because we didn't have time to put it in there. We'll see
No.
you guys in the next one.
We don't have
Later.
any time for anything.
Bye.
Play it one more time.